Good morning, world. My name is Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. Uh, just my personal opinion, like champignon. There is a good exhaustion here. Of good. It's all good. There is an exhaustion volume here. Oops. Exhaustion volume doesn't have to be in the lowest or highest extremum. Technically, this level is broken. That's also 0.5 of the entire movement. It's rather an interesting situation. Sign of strength still holds. And technically it's also a test here, but they're like just too close. Oof. We've seen too many V-shape turns this time around on the Russian market. That might have been an emotion here at this tail, if this was an exhaustion, you know what I mean? Spring, we need a test. You know what I mean? That might have been an emotion. This entire tail up to here. You know what I mean? Exactly. That's exactly what I mean. We'd need a test anyways. I think I'll take it if it gives us a test. We just need a test. Yeah. I'll do it like this. I just need a test. I'll neglect this tail because we've seen quite a few of those. On the Russian market. Hourly watch. Let's see what happened here. Air product. Boom. I was looking for. Yeah, boom, it's gone. Look at this. Oh my god, this is a monster. This is a monster. I was looking for a short trade. I was fooling around because it's counter trend. And now you know what? Forget about this. It's a new level now. Air product is grinding higher. Good thing is I'm in position. So yeah, it grinds higher. So that's the new transitory extremum. Intel is something to look at. Is something to look at on hourly. Sagram plug. It's here. But it's here again. Here again. Plug is too choppy. It doesn't have enough of liquidity. I don't know what to do with it. Tatneft is getting there. Roku. Samalot. Okay. It wouldn't give us a bigger, better entry. But this guy now is a little alarming. This volume. Okay, it's not a little alarming. It's alarming. And it changes the direction. This makes no sense. Yeah, no, it does. Still good on daily. Still good on daily. Qualcomm. Sorry. RTS is grinding higher. Sberbank. You can play a continuation. Well, Well, RTS technically too, you can play in continuation of the trend. Same deal with bear bank. You can still play in continuation of the trend. Trend is your friend. That was interesting here. A little lower than yeah. That was an entry after retest, but also everything is so narrow. I wouldn't take it like this. You know? And it wasn't a balance here too. I think that was an entry. We would need a test though, and test was so high. Test was so high. Yeah. Yeah, no, from here that would be lovely, but you would need a test. I would need a test. And everything I say is not financial advice. It's been established, okay? Yeah, volume distribution is good. Except for this guy. Except for this guy. Now I need a test. And it's high up there. We can have a test anytime. Like anytime. Yeah, we're gonna let it go. Yeah. To do. It's high up there. It's high up there. Technically, it's like this. but practically it doesn't make no sense. This will be jumped over. Heinz retests this thing. Oh, look at this. Look at this guy. We would need a test. It's actually doable, as funny as it is. But that's not doable. So it's like this right now. Maybe just of the test of this spring. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know, like test into 0.5 of the spring and then go. It's not that biggest innocent exhaustion volume of the day, so wouldn't trust it too much. But stays true, it's good after the test. That didn't give us a test. Rude. The rest checked out. Not the biggest volume, but the volume. Spring. We didn't need a test here. Rude. We need a test. Would that be reasonable to take it here without the test? Not sure. Not sure about that. That would be something to consider, but we would need a test. Yeah. This guy. He does the spring again. Does the spring again. Far below. Far below 0.5. It's a nice consolidation though. Looks like it wants to go higher. This thing again. Down. Yeah. weird, like stay away type of deal. Stay away type of deal. Spring test, retest. Huge. Just doesn't make no sense. Huge. Stay away type of deal. Test, retest. Hmm. Don't know what's going on. Is it a break or is it a... I don't know. Looks like it. Looks like it wants to reverse. I don't know. Does look like an exhaustion. This is massacre. This is massacre. Look, it even springed. That was the level and it springed it. Interesting. So I'm gonna go meditate. I feel so sorry for the dogs that are being locked and crying all around neighborhood. It's just habitual. They don't chain the dogs, but they kind of put them in the booths and this like gated areas, barriers. That sucks to see animals to live like that. I really wish we grew consciousness around dogs. Cats are like fine more or less. They do have their own struggle, but generally speaking, they're often way more free within their boundaries of their apartment, house. There's a lot of come and goes. My cat was come and go. He would walk everywhere. But dogs, oh boy, they suffer. Like the neighbor's dog, just like howling all the time when the neighbor is not home, just because it's locked. And it's, what do you call it, valier. Which is just horrible, I think. Thanks for the counter trend. Yeah, I'll be careful with this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go meditate. Lockheed Martin looks great for short. For all I care. There's room to go, it's counter trend. This volume still holds that biggest volume. However, is this kind of volume. I think it's super, I don't know what this volume is about. We see it all across the board, but regardless. It's not that biggest volume, but it's definitely its third biggest volume. Spring, upthrust, I'm sorry. That didn't work, but then it dropped. Yeah. Okay, and here we need a test. Okay, I see you.